How to add categories on Weebly. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add categories on your Weebly website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Weebly Editor, and this is where we edit our website. Now you have to go to build and you will get all of these different elements. In elements, if you scroll down, you will find categories. So you just select the place where you want to add the categories. All right, so I have this spacer right here. Simply drag and drop the categories right here. Now you can see it says select categories. It depends on you that what kind of categories you want to create. We actually do this on our store if you're selling a product. So you will just click on add categories. It will allow you to add categories here. You just have to give your category your name. So I'm going to call it new arrival. There you go, new arrivals. And now we can choose different items from our store that we have. So it will allow you to choose items. So unfortunately, I am not creating a store on Weebly, so I cannot choose, but you just click on choose item and it will open up all of your products right here. Then we can also add a category image. For example, if these are footwear, then I can add a foot image. If they are clothes, I can add a cloth image. Then we can also select the layout for our different categories if it's going to be with no header, or we can go with a splash. We can also display different subcategories if we want. So you can also create subcategories and you can just create categories as well. Then we can also work on the SEO and we can create a permalink, SEO title, and SEO description. Once you're done, you will click on save and your new category will be saved on Weebly. I hope I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.